Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make tasty macaroni with crispy Parmesan and shrimp. To make these macaroni for 4 people, you'll need 1 bag of peeled undeveined red shrimp, 500 grams Grand Krust, 400 grams of macaroni, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, parsley, 200 milliliters of cooking cream, 2 eggs, 100 grams of grated Parmesan, 50 grams of grated Emmental, 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs, salt, white pepper, and olive oil. To begin the recipe, sauté the finely chopped garlic and onion in a splash of olive oil. At the same time, heat a pot of salted water. Next, beat some eggs with Parmesan cheese, salt, and white pepper. Then set aside. When the onion has taken on some color, add the chopped parsley and the shrimp. Season to taste and sauté for 1 minute. Then add the cream. Lower the heat and let the mixture simmer. When the water is boiling, add the macaroni and cook until al dente. When they're ready, drain the pasta and add them to the pan. Mix everything well and transfer to an oven dish. Spread the egg mixture on top of the macaroni and sprinkle with the breadcrumbs and the grated Emmental. Grill the macaroni until the cheese and breadcrumbs turn golden brown. One tip for ensuring that your gratin is a great color is to use some kind of fat, whether it's butter or, as in this case, cheese. The only thing left is to remove the macaroni from the oven and bring them to the table. Bon appétit!